We are here with R.Evolución Latina providing a free program for over 60 students that took the free program, acting, singing, and dancing. From those 60 students, 40 of them are staying with us doing the show. And it's a very fast and furious process. There's so much information they have to learn. So as much as we're doing Barba and we're celebrating a new show that we're helping develop and find, we're also really celebrating the students who have dared to go beyond in our program. The artists that we have are making the music. They're making the music through their body, through their singing voices, and through their dancing.
Not yet. Almost there. Oh, try again.
It's so difficult to connect all of that dots, not just playing a character or singing a song and dancing. The body percussion, it's the thing that it's so complicated to mix with all of that things that it's amazing how we help each other.
Is practice on the body is good percussion.
And so I invite people to come here to the Bronx and really see this one-in-a-lifetime experience of seeing so many Latinos in the Bronx telling a story about a Brazilian musician who left a legacy of repertoire of music. And I believe that we're trying to tell the story with the most kind heart.